love to be able to make this sand dollar card? Isn't it adorable? Well, if you're in our Fold It Club, guess what? You're getting it. Now, if you're not, subscribe now and you can get in on this adorable card. And I have so much to share with you, my friends. So those of you in the Fold It Club, yay, guess what? You are getting our sand dollar Fold It and 2 5x7 stencils with a couple little extras in here because here's our sand dollar. I've added a scalloped shell and a whole bunch of mini little tiny sand dollars. They're so cute. And I cannot wait to share my samples with you. But wait, there's more because you're also getting sand dollar stencils. Now this one's really fun. It's a twosie because you can do them separately or you can do them together. The choice is yours. So they're really, really versatile. Now, here's one of them, and it's literally sand dollars, right? The shape of a sand dollar. And then here is like the inside of the sand dollar, right? So if you add them together, you are gonna get the most beautiful, and let me show you this sample, the most beautiful background patterns. Isn't that gorgeous when you use the two of them together? So here's our first sample. I absolutely love it. Also, I want you to note that these little pieces can be pulled up a little. They die cut, but not all the way. So you can pull those up a little bit to get more definition or more dimension. And look at how gorgeous that stencil is. How fun, right? Because it literally makes a sand dollar. Here's a fun sample. Again, here you can see how those pieces can be popped up or moved so they can kind of just add a little extra dimension, and it's just so much fun. I love that one. Now Michelle of course made a cute little stuffy. Isn't that awesome? Gotta love that. Here's another sample. Let's celebrate. So adorable. It's your birthday. Again, look at those stencils just right around the edges. That is so fun, isn't it? Now of course you're going to get your handy dandy postcard. Don't forget about that, my friends, those of you in the club. Now, and just a heads up, you cannot buy this. This is not on my website to purchase at all because it's exclusive to the Fold It Club for a minimum of 12 to 15 months. So you're not even going to see this. You're not even going to be able to get it. Only my Fold It Club members are going to get this. So if you're not a subscriber, subscribe today, join in, get in, and you'll be able to get in on this kit alone right away. Boom, it'll be sent to you automatically, and then you'll be in the club, and then you get all those awesome club benefits like club points, club discount, 15% off the entire website, right? Club freebies. Oh my goodness gracious, you need to check it out. Here's a gorgeous one on a bigger card. I absolutely love that. So fun with that fun burlap background on the back. Oh, and the stencil behind it. Yay. Here's a beautiful one, perfect for Christmas time. Holly jolly with a fun wreath on it. I love it. Oh, here's a beautiful, oh, look at the stencil on this one in pink. Isn't that beautiful? Birthday wishes, birthday wishes with hugs and kisses. Open that up, so fun. Have a fabulous birthday. That stamp set is from the Happy Birthday for HSN stamp set. Heads up. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Oh, isn't that stunning? So beautiful. You're pretty wonderful, it says. Isn't that beautiful on the inside as well? So fun. Now, last but not least, here's an example, which I really love also because this is showing just the inside of the sand dollar for the background and not using both parts of the stencils. So look at how gorgeous that is. Now, club members, boom, yours are already on their way to you. Kenny gets them out as soon as he possibly can. So be on the lookout for those. And if you're not in the club, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click join the club and just watch that video because you know what? I have a feeling you might want to get in on this because it's so much fun. Thanks so much and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.